What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Now this has been a long time coming. I've seen these headphones in my review comment sections a ton. Everybody's been asking me to review them, so here we are. I reached out to the company and they were nice enough to send me a pair of these headphones. Now the Ear by crazybaby is coming in at $100 and they come in 10 different colors. I chose to go with the red because you know what, I just want to mix it up. So today I'm going to be telling you guys why I believe these are a great lifestyle choice. Just as an everyday carry, they can go everywhere with you, from your workplace to the gym to just shopping or making calls. They do everything and you guys will not be disappointed. So let me tell you guys, let's get into this review. In the box, you're going to find 2 sets of wings, 4 sets of ear tips, a charging case, the earbuds, and a USB-C charger. Now, upon first taking these out of the box, what I noticed most was how light they are. These things are super light. Even the case is really light. A lot of the new true wireless earbuds and the cases are just super heavy, and carrying them around can be a real pain. The one thing that really stood out to me with these earbuds is how light the whole package is. From the case to the actual earbuds themselves, when you put them into your ears, they are just super light. I love it, and that's the number one thing that I love about these headphones is I can take these everywhere and not feel like I'm carrying around this big burden with me. It's very lifestyle oriented where I can just keep these on me at all times. They can be in my pocket, and it slides to one side of your pocket, so it's not going to be covering a wide range in your pocket, taking up a ton of space, which I really love. Now I find myself reaching for these a ton. The silicone tips and the wings are super comfortable. Most of the time I don't need to use the wings, but I do use them in the gym when I need more of that security. And this is one area where the AirPods really fell short, is they don't block out a lot of noise. So yeah, they're a lifestyle product, but for the most part, when you're in the gym, I can't hear my music whatsoever. So these allow me to keep a lightweight system with me and bring it everywhere. And even to the gym, I can bring it to work, I can bring it to grocery shopping, anywhere, accepting calls. It does everything really well. The case slides open to reveal the earbuds, which I love. As for controls, on the right side, you can control your music by playing and stopping the music by tapping once. You can tap twice to skip forward, tap 3 times to skip back. And then on the left side, you can accept calls with 1 tap, and pressing it twice will bring up Siri and Google Alexa and things like that. So overall, design is king when it comes to a lifestyle product, and these did not disappoint whatsoever. As for the sound signature, these are very good. They're very balanced. I would put them on par, and what they sound very similar to is the Icon X by Samsung. Both sound very good. They have a nice bass response, and these get very loud. That's one thing that I love about these as well. So when you're in the gym, it'll block out a ton of noise, or when the person you're calling has a very quiet voice, you can just raise up the volume and it's no problem. I love trance with these. I was listening to Above and Beyond's newest CD and their podcast, and these just blew that music out of the water. So I was not disappointed on any front. I can't really say anything bad about these because they're so balanced. They have the bass there. There's no harsh highs. The mids are very clear. So I can't really say anything bad about these. These are not the best of the best sound quality, don't get me wrong. They're not on par with like some AUDEZE wired earbuds, but these are standing up to most of the earbuds that are true wireless right now. For call quality, these are very good. They have an embedded double digital silicone microphone in them. Sounds very clear. You guys will not have any problems. You can mark my words on that. The battery life is good, but not great when you have like AirPods on the market that are getting close to 24-25 hours. So these have 12 hours, which is good. That gives you about 4 charges total. That's a very long time. That's half a day, which is, I think, more than what most people will need anyways. And what I also like is that a 5-minute charge will give you 90 minutes of playback. That's crazy. So if you're on the go, if you need to charge them up before you go into the gym real quick and you see that you're on low battery, you will have enough with some to spare. For the connectivity, everything was a breeze. You just hold down on both of them. They both pair to your phone. I had no issues there. They also use the same technology as iPhones. They have that planar inverted F-shaped antenna, and these are also rocking Bluetooth 5.0, so you are future proofed with these. I encountered no breakups with these, so super solid all the way around. I thought it would be pretty impossible for anybody to replace my AirPods. I have been bringing those with me everywhere, every day since I got them. But now I think I'm gonna be splitting the time a little bit more evenly now that I have the Air by crazybaby. These things live up to the hype and more. So thank you guys for recommending me to reach out to this company and get them. Don't forget that all these opinions are my own. They didn't pay for this at all. They just sent me the headphones to review. So I can tell you guys if they are good or if they are bad. And these things are good. They work in multiple situations, from your work to your gym. They block out a ton of noise, which the AirPods don't do. So I can bring these with me to multiple situations and have them work, which is invaluable. So great job, crazybaby. I love the headphones. Thank you for sending them out to me. And thank you guys for watching this review. There's gonna be more to come. I will see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy BT saying peace.